Let's separate the skaters from the non-skaters. Today's topic is skater stances. Now there are two main skater stances. There is regular and there is goofy. Now if you're regular, it means that you push with your right foot and your left foot stays on the board. Now this would be an example of riding regular. Left foot is on the board and the right foot will be pushing, like that. Now riding goofy on the other hand, or on the other foot I should say, is when you have your right foot on the board and you have your left foot pushing. Now this would be riding goofy. Right foot is on the board and left foot is pushing. Now, there isn't actually anything goofy with riding right foot forward. It's just arbitrary. You can whatever foot you want to ride with, you should ride with, like whichever one you feel more comfortable with. If you're left foot forward, you're regular. If you're right foot forward, you're goofy. There's nothing goofy about riding right foot forward, but it is called goofy if you are a skater or even snowboarder. So yeah. Now for anyone who is a well-versed skater or knows their skater terminology or skater jargon if you will, they would know that there are actually 4 other stance names, technically 3 specific ones, but when you're doing tricks, things get a little bit different. You have nollie, fakie, switch, and then basically you don't have to say anything for the very first one, which is just doing it at whichever stance that you normally do it. Like a normal ollie would be, since I personally am regular, my left foot is forward. So I'll be moving in this direction, and then when I do an ollie, my left foot is forward. So I just call that an ollie. You know, there's nothing else that you have to say, especially in games of skate. It's just an ollie. You know, if someone is goofy and they did an ollie in goofy stance, that's just an ollie. But if you do a switch ollie, that's when it gets a little trickier, and I'm just going to explain all that in another video because that's more than you should know.